this is how to reset your tyre pressure. There you go, tyre sensors not detected message on your Ford Focus. This is a 2016 model, but as long as you've got that dash and these steering wheel controls, it should work for you. Let's see if we can get it all in one shot. I don't think we can, but give it a go. Anyway, you can see the lights flashing there on the dash. We've got the message, so we're just going to go OK to get rid of the message. And then we're going to use the left, the right, the up and the down, and the OK. So what we need to do, we need to come over to this side to settings. So we're going to press left. And then we're going to go down, settings, then press OK. Then we want driver assist, which is already selected, but you can go up and down if you need to select it. And then we're going to go down, down, down to tyre monitor. Press OK. And then press and hold the OK to store. You can see the bars going across at the bottom. There we go, the monitor. The pressures are now stored and your light's gone out. So if it's not detected them, you can just reset the tyre monitor and it might just work for you. It might not necessarily be a fault like it isn't on this one. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.